Welcome to this review. Today we have with us the AEG, and let me read the model number because it's incredibly long. FES5393AZM. Very long number, but what it matters. So this is a partially integrated dishwasher machine in Class-D efficiency. So this is the model from 2021, I believe. There's a new model which is Class C and has a minor difference. But nonetheless, all these machines are pretty much the same with minor differences. So let me tell you about this AEG dishwasher. Now, the first thing I want to show you is that these machines, let me show you, it cleans really well. So this is what I got out of just a 30 minutes cleaning program. So really a fast cleaning, and even in 30 minutes, as you see, everything came out quite okay. This is the top tray, this is the lower tray, and here is a feature which I really recommend you to buy. Now this dishwasher comes with or without this feature. This costs almost 100 euro more, but it's totally worth it. So this is a cutlery tray. What it allows you to do, like you put your cutlery up here, for example, this is a fork, you put it here and it's on its own tray. Now normally dishwasher comes with a basket here where you put your cutlery, but having it up here frees up this whole area and gives you so much more room that you can put your stuff in. And despite the cost, I would say totally worth it. Go for it. Also, it hides, you know, the top spinning blade up here, so you don't hit it anymore. There is no such thing. So you can get really up to the edge here with your top loaded stuff. And when it comes to the lower loading, there is here the usual, you know, spinning stuff. But below we have a bit of a more integrated mechanism, but it's very similar to what you get in a standard dishwasher. Another interesting feature of this dishwasher is that it's self-opening. So when you close it like this, and when you have the program run through, the dishwasher will open up like this at the end of the program, and this helps in getting your stuff dry. So, you know, dishwasher makes everything wet, then it dries it up. With this feature that it opens the door, it dries up the things a bit. Now you can disable this feature in case you don't want people to mess up with your dishwasher, say you have children or so, but this is a very nice feature because it allows you to save energy. This is why this dishwasher is Class D, which is very good efficiency. Now when it comes to the menu, you turn on the dishwasher like this, so the button is here embedded in the body. And then you have all the options here. So what are the options that we have? We can choose the program, Eco, 160, 90, 60, 30, Auto, and some two special programs. You can start the dishwasher with certain delay, and you can set up a couple of options. So we have the option to clean better the glasses in case you have a lot of glasses to clean. We have the option to clean better the pots. We have the option to use very high temperature to disinfect everything, and the option, as we mentioned, to delay everything. Here you have a couple of sensors that indicate if you need to pour salt. In my case, I'm running out of glass cleaner, and here you see where the dishwasher is in the program. So starting cleaning and drying of the program. So very simple to use. Here's the start button. Nothing else to say. There is a menu where you can set how hard your water is and a couple of other stuff. But besides that, very easy to use. Also interesting, in this automatic mode, the dishwasher will actually be able to detect itself how much dirt you have and adjust the program accordingly. So what do I think about this machine? I'm positively impressed by the quality of the cleaning. This machine cleans really well. I have to say, if I want to put a note where I'm like, okay, this is okay, but could be better, is the drying phase. I think the drying phase is a bit reduced to save energy, and the drying is not always perfect. But if you want a better drying, I think you can get the new model, which has a new technique to dry even faster your stuff. Overall, recommended machine is a bit pricier than the case cheaper stuff you can find, but as always, you know, very solid construction. You hear the buttons clicking, the body is solid, the trays don't wibble around. So is the extra money worth it? I would say, yeah, definitely. This stuff lasts for something like 15 years under good use, so it's worth to spend a bit more. That's it for today. Thanks for watching this review with me. And as always, leave me a like, leave me a comment, and I will see you in the next one.